how to add a new bot on Cryptohopper. Now, on Cryptohopper, a bot usually refers to an automated trading program that allows users to execute cryptocurrency trading strategies based on predefined rules and algorithms, offering features like portfolio management, backtesting, and real-time monitoring. And if you want to create a new bot or add a new bot to automate your trading, it's rather simple. After you launch the Cryptohopper app, this is the interface you will see. At the very top, you can see our current trading bot, but I can just tap on that bot. Now here you'll be able to see a list of the bots that I have. So I can tap on this option that says add a new bot from the bottom. Once I've selected that, I can simply connect it to one of my exchanges, and once I connect it, I'll be able to go ahead and then create a new bot. This way I'll be able to add a new bot on Cryptohopper. I hope that this video helped you out, and if you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.